Stop paying for expensive AI video generators right now. Finally, the premium version of Higgsfield AI is officially 100% free and unlimited for a very limited time. You need to stop spending your hard-earned money on costly subscriptions because today the game completely changes. I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to unlock the most powerful Higgsfield AI models for absolutely $0. But you need to stick with me until the very end of this video because I am dropping an absolute massive value bomb that you cannot afford to miss. I'm going to reveal exactly how you can use the highly anticipated Seedance 2.5 model absolutely free. Yes, we are talking about the legendary upcoming AI that generates mind-blowing 30-second cinematic videos in pure 4K resolution. Nobody else on YouTube is revealing this yet, but you are going to learn how to position yourself to use Seedance 2.5 100% free before the rest of the world catches on. And to make this even better, I will also show you how to leverage the insanely popular Kling 3.0 model completely free to generate high-retention cinematic clips right now. Let us dive straight into the master strategy. The Higgsfield AI $0 unlimited offer is highly time-sensitive, and you need to take action immediately. Now, I am based right here in the United States, so I naturally have direct access to these premium offers. But I know that my videos reach ambitious creators all over the globe, in countries like Japan, India, and beyond. If you are watching from outside the US, do not worry, because the workaround is incredibly simple. Just open your favorite VPN, find the United States server, and hit connect. I have even connected my own VPN to a US server right now on screen, just to show you exactly how seamless and easy this process is. Once your VPN is locked into the United States, you can either click the exact link I have provided in my description box, or simply search Higgsfield AI on Google and open their official platform. The moment you land on their homepage, a massive limited time pop-up offer will appear right in front of you. This is the golden ticket. It gives you all their top premium models completely unlimited for $0. You can see right here that this specific offer expires in roughly 1 day and 17 hours, so there's absolutely no time to waste. Click on the bright sign up button and choose the option to continue with your Google account. Once your account is created and you are logged into the dashboard, head straight over to the pricing section. You will see a button that says Get Free Trial for $0. Click on that. At this point, the platform will prompt you to add a payment card to verify your account and activate the free trial. Now, listen very closely to this next part. If you do not have a credit card, or if you simply prefer not to put your real banking information out there, you do not need to stress at all. You can easily go on the internet, grab a temporary virtual credit card, and plug those details right into this page. It works perfectly. It bypasses the requirement, and you will not be charged a single penny. Once you enter those temporary card details and hit Start Trial, the magic happens. Your account is instantly upgraded to unlimited status. You now have pure, unrestricted access to heavyweight models like Seedance 2.0, Kling 3.0, Gemini Omni Flash, and Flux 2.0 Pro. You can generate as much high-quality content as you want for the next 24 hours without spending a dime. Now, let us move on to the second phase of this strategy, which is the ultimate secret for unlocking Seedance 2.5, Seedance 2.0, and Kling 3.0 for absolutely free. For this, we're shifting over to a powerhouse platform called Wizstar AI. You can click the link in my description or search Wizstar AI on Google to get there. As soon as you open the site, look right at the top. You will see a massive banner proudly announcing that Seedance 2.5 is coming soon. This revolutionary model is launching by the end of this month, and this specific platform is exactly where you want to be registered to lock in your free credits early. To get started, look down at the bottom left corner of your screen and click the Sign In button. A pop-up will appear. Make sure you switch over to the Register tab and simply click Continue with Google. The platform will quickly ask for your date of birth, so just enter your details and hit Continue to finalize the setup. Once you are inside the Wizstar AI dashboard, direct your attention to your credit balance on the left side menu. If the system shows 0 credits at first, do not panic. This is completely normal. All you have to do is hit the refresh button on your browser. The moment the page reloads, boom, you will instantly see 300 free creation credits deposited right into your account. Now, I'm going to show you the exact mathematical trick to squeeze the absolute maximum value out of every single one of those free credits. Look at the left side menu again and click on Video. Then select the Video Generator tool. This is your main control center where all the top AI models are waiting. While we eagerly wait for Seedance 2.5 to officially drop, you can leverage Seedance 2.0 right now. If you leave the settings on default to generate a high-quality 15-second video, it will consume your credits for just one single generation. But we want to be smarter than that. Go into the settings, drop your video duration down to 10 seconds, and change your resolution to 480p. By making that small tweak, you can suddenly generate 2 completely free cinematic videos instead of just one. If you want to use the Kling 3.0 Omni model instead, the trick is even better. Select Kling 3.0 Omni, keep your generation duration at 10 seconds, and set your resolution to 720p. With this specific optimization, those same 300 credits will allow you to generate 2 to 3 incredibly realistic AI videos. Look at the screen right now. I am playing the exact video clips I generated using this precise method, and the visual quality is absolutely insane. The physics, the lighting, the movement, it is all top-tier production value that you are getting for free. And here is the absolute best part of this entire system. Once you finally burn through those initial 300 credits, you are not stopped. All you have to do is log out of Wizstar AI, create a brand new Gmail account, sign back in, and immediately claim another 300 credits. You can repeat this loop as many times as you need. This is the ultimate, unlimited, free cinematic AI video generation system. You now have the exact blueprint to use the most expensive AI tools on the market without spending a single dollar. Stop making excuses, take full advantage of these incredible limited time loopholes right now, and start building your cinematic AI empire today. Get out there and start creating.